Hi y'all, I'm Betty, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of Creality's new CR Lizard. It is a 3D scanner. It will take pictures of any 3D object so that you can then print it out on any 3D filament printer or resin printer. It hits the Kickstarter on February 10th, so keep an eye out for that. And let's get started. And it comes with a super cool case that has 2 zippers, so you know it's extra fancy. And everything fits in here super nicely. We have the quick start guide, which is very helpful for those that are just getting started. It comes with the turntable here. Super little simple setup. It's got a power cord so that it can spin around and the camera can take the full image. Plug that into the computer or into an outlet and it spins real pretty. And next we will get out this camera. So here is the magic right here. It is surprisingly lightweight, super compact. Comes with its own little tripod that is a little tough to adjust, but look at how fancy that is. It also adjusts so that you can point it at your object on your little turntable. And next we have the power cord here. It actually comes with different adapters here so that you can very easily switch them out depending on what type of power source that you have in the area you live. Okay. Goes in the computer and one into the camera. Super simple. Line up the little red dots, press it in, and there it goes. Get everything in the computer. Load in your software, and you're ready to go. So remember to keep an eye out for this. It hits Kickstarter on February 10th, and I expect it's going to be pretty popular on there because this makes the 3D printing world so much easier.